Now let's see this question. If f of x equal to x plus 1 power cot x for x not equal to 0 and it is equal to k for x equal to 0, then we are supposed to find out whether it is continuous or not. Okay, it is already given. It is continuous at x equal to 0, then we have to find out the value of k, right? So what is it? Now they are saying that the function is given like this, and now they are saying that it is already continuous at x equal to 0, then we have to find out the value of k, right, where k is here. Okay, so now we can use the definition of continuity to solve this question. So when we know that it is continuous at x equal to 0, then we can say that the value of the function at x equal to 0 as well as the value of the function as limit x tends to 0, both are going to be equal, which means I can write it this way, isn't it? When we know that the function is continuous at x equal to a, then the value of the function at x equal to a as well as the value of the function as limit x tends to a, both are going to be equal. Got it? Now from that I can write x equal to 0, a equal to 0, right? If I substitute a equal to 0, I am going to get this. Why? Because they said that it is continuous at 0. Okay, now we can directly see that by substituting f of x is nothing but this point, right? See, when x equal to 0, it is exactly equal to k, that is why f of 0 equal to k. But then as x approaches 0, what does limit x tends to 0 mean? It is approaching 0 but not exactly 0, right? Now we have to use this function, that is why here I am going to use this function, because x is approaching 0, it is not exactly 0, right? So I got this one. Now if you substitute here x equal to 0, I am going to get 1 power cot 0, and cot 0 is infinity, which means it is 1 power infinity form, right? Now whenever we get 1 power infinity, we know this formula. If we have limit x tends to a, f of x power g of x, if you find out that if I substitute x equal to a, if I find out that this value is going to be 1 power infinity, then we could write it this way. We could have written it as e power limit x tends to a g of x into f of x minus 1, right? Now in this case, just see what is f of x and g of x. Now f of x is going to be x plus 1 and g of x is going to be cot x. Got it? Therefore you write it this way: e power limit x tends to 0, why a is 0, right? So e power limit x tends to 0, g of x. What is g of x? G of x is cot x. So g of x into f of x minus 1. So what is f of x? X plus 1 minus 1. Alright. Now you can see that it is cot x into x. Now cot x is also 1 by tan x. So we can write it as x by tan x. Limit x tends to 0, x by tan x. As we know, this value is 1. So why is this value 1? Because tan x by x is 1. So x by tan x is also going to be 1. Got it? So this entire value is going to be 1, and therefore we got e equal to k. The value of k is e. Got it? Okay.